Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I miss seeing you in class, but I hope you're continuing to read and enjoying some time with your family. We are learning about a new type of paragraph this week. In the past, we've talked about narrative writing, which includes first, next, then, last. We've also talked about informative writing, which involves I know some facts about, another fact also. These are some facts about something. So when we're talking about facts, we're talking about exactly what we observe or what is true about it. So if I have a cat, I'm going to say the cat has 4 legs. The cat can run. These are facts about the cat. They're always going to be true. They're never going to change. A cat will always be able to run. So now we're going to talk about something that I think is pretty fun, and that's opinion writing. So opinion writing is a bit different because instead of going right to the facts, we get to tell what we think, what we love, what we believe, and how we feel about things. So instead of saying the cat can run, you can say, I love cats. So that's how you personally feel. Now, opinions can be very different. Some of you might be like, I love cats. And some of you might be like, I don't like cats at all. So a very important thing about opinion writing is that you need to remember that you need to explain why you like it or don't like it. So I'm gonna, the first few lessons are figuring out whether it's a fact or whether it's an opinion. Now remember, an opinion is how you feel or think. A fact is something that's always going to be true. So, for our game today, I brought Woodruff. You can say hi to him. He's not very happy to be here, but that's okay. So, I am going to tell you a sentence, and you're going to decide whether it's a fact or an opinion. Okay, so here's my first one. Woodruff is the best bison in the world. Think in your head, is that a fact, something that's always true, or an opinion, how I think or feel? It's definitely an opinion because not everyone would think he's the best bison, even though he thinks he is. Okay, let's do another one. Remember, a fact is something that's always true. An opinion is how you think or feel. Okay, let's do another one. Woodruff has 2 horns. Is that a fact, something that's always true, or an opinion, something you feel or believe? If you said fact, you would be correct. Woodruff has 2 horns. Those horns are not going to go away. Okay, let's do another one. Woodruff has a bow tie. So for Woodruff, is this a fact, something that's always true for him, or an opinion, something I think or feel? If you said fact, you would be correct because he never takes his bow tie off. Let's do another one. I think Woodruff is the best because I love how furry he is. I don't know if he's furry. Anyway, would you call that a fact, something that's always true, or an opinion? I would call an opinion because you're telling what you think or feel. Okay, thank you, Woodruff. You may go. Okay, I brought another visitor. Here's Morsa. You can say hi to her. Yeah, she hopes you are all doing well. So, we're going to play the game again. So, one more time, I'm going to remind you, a fact is something that is always true. An opinion is something that you think, believe, or feel. Okay, here we go. Oh, Morsa. Okay, here she is. Morsa is a walrus. Is that a fact, something that's always true, or an opinion, something I think? If you said fact, you are correct. Morsa is a walrus, and that's never going to change. Okay, let's do another one. I love being with Morsa because she's so friendly. Is that a fact, something that's always true, or an opinion, how I feel? If you said it's an opinion, you were right. She's very happy if you were right. Okay, and if you're not, growth mindset, you can try again. Okay, we'll ask 2 more questions and then we'll be done for today. So let's do our next one. I love playing with Morsa because she always tells the funniest stories. Is that a fact, something that's always true, or is an opinion, something I think or feel? It would be an opinion. If I'm talking about something I love, that's something I feel personally. Not everyone might feel that way. And our last question for you is, a walrus has 2 teeth called tusks. Is that an opinion or is that a fact? If you said fact, you are correct. Okay, everybody, I hope that kind of helps explain things. If you have questions, feel free to message me on Class Dojo or email me. I'm always here to help. Okay, bye.